Good morning, children. How are you? Last two lesson over. Third lesson that population composition I have explained up to literacy. So you know very well about literacy. Those are having the age of 7 years who can able to read and write, understand basic arithmetic. So then it's called literacy. So now I'm going to continue that lesson. Today I'm going to complete the population composition lesson. Okay. So in this lesson I am going to now explain about the rural urban composition. So rural and urban. Then after the different type of primary activity, secondary activity, tertiary activity, quaternary and quinary activity. Yes, children, rural and urban composition. So why we have to study about rural and urban composition? Okay. See the difference between rural and urban population we have to study. So it varies from country to country because now rural the lifestyle is totally different. The urban lifestyle may be totally different because it mainly depends upon the purchasing power. The lifestyle are now totally changed. So in rural area now you can see that now most of the people are totally dependent on primary activity. But in the urban area people are totally dependent on secondary activity. So rural people are not comparatively urban, they are very poor. They are not having all facilities. But in urban area, you can find out all facilities and they are earning money and they are fulfill all the need whatever they need. So like that you can see even the age in a sex occupation also. So age in a sex age is sex occupational structure means see that different type of that age people. For example, for 0 to 14, 15 to 59, rural area mostly they depend on primary, but mostly in urban area they totally depend on secondary activity. Even the density, this level of development, everything totally varies from rural to urban area. So just now I told you that now you can see that in general term, rural area are those where people are engaged in primary activity, and urban area, majority of the people are working population engaged in the non-primary or secondary activity. So in the rural and urban difference sex ratio, for example take Canada and West European country like Finland are just opposite those of in Africa and Asian country. Why mean? Because most of the women are ready to work now. They are getting better opportunity in urban area. So mostly they are migrating women. But in Asian country like India, Pakistan, other neighboring country, most of the women still they are dependent on primary activity. Because now it is mainly depends upon the level of development of education. Next coming to for example in country like Nepal, Pakistan and India, in the case of rivers. Okay, because these are the countries mostly people are women are totally dependent on primary activity. Then excess of female in urban area USA, Canada and Europe a result of influx of female from the rural area to avail of the vast job opportunity. That means the western countries now most of the women are highly educated. They know very well about their self defense. So they are searching, they are getting better job opportunity in urban area. That is why in more in the in western countries now women are they are migrating urban area and working earning money. And in the rural area each and every farmer in the western European country, even North America, each and everyone having 1,000 acres of land. All the lands are now the agricultural activities are mechanized. All the work not done by male only. But in India, like country now you can say the primary activities are mostly women are depend on primary activity. But in India you can say that now males are now ready to work now. They are going out and now migrating in urban area, working, earning money and supporting to the family. So these are the difference between rural and urban composition. So you can see now you are in a lesson third chapter in the diagram given. These questions are not the diagram frequently asked with board exam. So they are asking you 3 more questions. With the help of this diagram, you can see that now block shaded that is called rural, and that light shaded vertical lines that is called urban. So in this diagram they will ask you now what is the name of the diagram. Okay, so you have to say that now one more question. Rural and urban na sex now composition. 1 mark. Then second question they will ask you now in which country having more now women are the sex ratios sex now women are now more which country? By see the diagram now that is rural you can see that now Zimbabwe now having the highest now next now coming to now that is now Nepal. So these are the two countries now women's now sex ratios are more. Why mean most of the males are now they are out migration. Okay, second question now 1 mark. Then third question they'll ask you which country having more na that na urban na that sex ratio more. So you can see that now with the help of this na diagram you can say urban na you can see that now with the help of symbol brain now you can see that now Brazil having now more. Then next now Brazil is coming. Next coming to that is Brazil. Then Finland. So next now that is New Zealand. So these are the countries having more now male now dominations are more because the major urban center. Then next now coming to there are different type of activity. See different type of activity mean that is primary activity. So primary activity mean which comes under hunting, gathering, mining, fishing, forestry and agriculture. This also 1 more question or 3 more question they will ask you. Then what is secondary activity? Secondary activity mean uh, manufacturing industry. Okay, converting the raw material into value product. So these secondary activities are more common in the major urban area. Then tertiary activity. Tertiary activity mean you can find out now where is the service sector like now transport and communication. Then next one is now quaternary activity. Quaternary activity means research and development. And the last one is now that is called culinary activity. Culinary activity mean now the people who are now top post. Those are now policy maker and decision maker. I hope that now you understood about now what I explained. It may be very useful for the exam.